that I think is the most important tool that you have. So
Hmm.
once you have a combustible dust present, you do a systematic review of your process in your building to find out like where's this going to occur, where could these combustible dust clouds be formed under normal conditions, under upset scenarios, where could I have a fire? You systematically sort of tackle your process from tip to tail to find out where these hazards could be, and then you test to make sure that you understand, like Kevin said, that maybe the beginning your dust behaves one way the beginning part of your process, but your dust is a different particle size, different moisture, maybe slightly different chemistry towards the end of your process, might behave in a completely different way. So you're going to have to tailor your protection and mitigation systems depending on the combustible and reactivity of the dust that you're dealing with in the form that it is.
But you did mention some of the NFPA standards. They have listing of 50 different particles and whether it's combustible or not, and they have some of the information. It is available, but still the gold standard is to go to the sphere.
Correct. But with those tables are generated from data provided to the committee by FM. They're
Hmm.
an insurance company that does a lot of testing. And so they have data sets for thousands and probably even tens of thousands of dust.
Right.
And so they've published a limited set in the NFPA standard. But again, those are chimera type of amalgamation where
Right.
looking at maybe rice flour, they've tested 300 types of rice flour. And they just picked and chose interesting values to put into the table. So that may not necessarily reflect your rice flour.
Right.
Your flour might be slightly different.
Well,